win. And syempre, new era to without Bella Belen and Eliza Solomon. So what can you say about the team's effort, especially with the girls beside you, Sam and Vange? What can you say?
Of course, I am very happy and overwhelmed because we've got through a very strong team. But you know, it's still not the end. It's still going to be a very long journey. So we just have to prepare all the time, and we just have to put our feet on the ground. Kailangan talaga namin maging humble kasi getting to know for each other, and we're trying our best to be a team every game.
Thanks, Coach. And Vange, 18 attacks, 4 digs, and 10 excellent receptions. So being one of the new leaders in the team. Especially nung fourth set, paano mo ginaid yung from 19 to 23 down? Anong sinabi mo sa mga girls?
Actually, for us naman kasi, naging positive talaga kami kasi kami yung lamang. So, nilaban talaga namin yung fourth set kasi alam namin kapag mag-fifth set pa yun, baka mahirapan talaga kami sa USD. And yun, happy lang din ako kasi kahit nabawasan yung, sa loob nabawasan yung first 6, still merong pumalit sa amin and in-apply pa din nila kung ano yung role nila.
Thank you. And last to our rookie, Sam Cantada, 17 attacks, 1 block, 3 service aces, including lahat doon sa may paghahabol nyo sa 90 to 23 deficit, and you have 14 extra receptions and 5 digs. First game, 14,000 plus na crowd. Pinakitaan mo kami. So, ano masasabi mo na ito, nandito ka na ngayon, naglalaro pa sa defending champion?
Una naman po kasi sa lahat, may goal po talaga kami. Na, syempre po, yung team po namin is defending champion po. So, para sa akin naman po, wala naman po kami dapat patunayan. Gawin lang po namin yung best namin every game. Okay, every game, okay na po yun sa amin. Kasi manalo matalo man, madami naman po kami matututunan at madadala pa po namin sa mga next games po namin.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Sabi nga, down kayo tapos nasa service line meron dulo. Ano lang siguro tumatakbo sa isip ko na din, paano mo kinip yung sarili mo na maging composed? Kahit grabe yung crowd, grabe yung atmosphere.
Siguro nasa utak ko lang po, tinetesting ako nun sa training. Like, ang pangit po ng mga service ko, inconsistent po ako. Tumatak po sa isip ko na kailangan ko i-overcome yun. Kailangan ko maging consistent, kailangan ko ilaban to. Kasi nakikita ko po sa mga ka-teammates ko na nilalaban po nila.
Coach, as one of the witness syempre sa preparation ni Sam for her rookie year, nagulat ka pa ba dun sa naging performance niya today?
Well, sa totoo lang, I know a lot of people will say na chamba yung kay Sam, but I've seen it so many times already. So it's her, it's her character. She's a really good fighter, lalo sa crucial game. So I didn't doubt her, and I was so sure na she's going to make it hanggang sa dulo.
Vange, from having talents deep, tapos ngayon the luxury of having a rookie na ganyang ka-talented, gaano ka saya yun na may continuity dun sa sa talent ng team?
Actually, sobrang proud ako kasi syempre rookie year niya and nakikita ko talaga sa kanya na gusto niya din talagang ilaban yung point kanina, especially yung kanina. And also sana din is magtuloy-tuloy lang din yung game namin, and sana magtuloy-tuloy lang din yung ginawa namin sa yung consistency namin.
Sam, paano mo tinitake yung pressure or yung responsibility na ganyan nga kaganda agad yung tiwala ng teammates mo sa coaches?
Yun nga po, nabanggit ko naman po kanina at yung press con po nung nakaraan po bago po mag-start yung season. Sobrang grabe po yung pressure po sa akin. Kasi po, syempre, ang taas po talaga ng standard na iniwan po nila Ate Bella. Pero syempre, andyan naman po yung coaches ko at saka yung teammates ko po na tinutulungan po nila ako every training na pinupush po talaga nila po. Yan po.
Our coach, bilang yung last championships po ng NU all had different head coaches po. So, in your term po ngayon as the new NU head coach, parang how are you trying to strike yung continuity po of yung kumbaga yung winning tradition while also introducing your own kumbaga coaching philosophy din sa team with na kumbaga intact pa rin for the most part pero yung new faces din po ito?
Well, I've been trying to make this team about them. So our system is not dependent on me, but I'm trying to make it. I want to make them decide what they want, what they're comfortable with, and what they're very good at. So the system is a them system na nililinis lang namin. So I'm not trying to make a really different mga changes na nakakagulat na malalaki. We're just trying to linis what they know already because everybody is skillful na. So yun, tuloy-tuloy lang, and lahat ng mga tulad nila sa lahat ng coaches nila, we're trying to get the best practices, best things, so that we can still defend the championship.